Hey tech enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the world of the Infinix Note 45G, a phone that's been making waves. But hold your horses, we're not here to fanboy or sugarcoat. Let's peel back the layers and explore both the superhero moments and the kryptonite weaknesses of this device. Design and elegance. The Note 45G flaunts a stylish vegan leather back that feels oh so premium. It's like holding a designer wallet with a secret superhero identity. But hey, it's not all sunshine. The curved display struggles with accidental touches. So it's elegance with a side of caution. Display brilliance. That curved AMOLED display is a visual treat. Deep blacks, vivid colors, and sharp details. It's like watching a blockbuster movie in your palm. But yes, there's a but. The peak brightness under direct sunlight is a bit meh. Sun, you win this round. Charging magic. Now, here's where the Note 45G flexes its muscles. The magnetic charging solution is like Apple's MagSafe, but for Android. It's innovative, futuristic, and practical. But brace yourselves, it's not the fastest performer out there. So it's a trade-off, convenience versus speed. Camera specs. That 108 megapixel primary camera is a beast. It captures details like a detective with a magnifying glass. But yes, another but, there's no ultra-wide lens. So your wide-angle adventures might feel a tad cramped. It's a love-hate relationship with pixels. Performance reality check. The Note 40 Pro dances with the MediaTek Dimensity 7020 chipset. It's reliable, but not lightning fast. Comes with 512 gigabytes storage and 12 gigabytes of RAM. Think of it as a marathon runner, steady and consistent, but not breaking any records. So it's dependable, but not a speed demon. So dear viewers, the Infinix Note 45G isn't flawless. It's a mix of elegance, innovation, and compromises. If you're after unique features and a reasonable price, it's worth a closer look. But remember, even superheroes have their Achilles heels. Did this review hit the sweet spot? Smash that like button if you're Team Note 40. And if you're still on the fence, share your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe for more honest tech talk, and remember, no blind fanboying here.